This is an Alan Bradley 1769-L24ER-QBFC1B. In this video, we will be unboxing this and doing some basic programming on it. It comes with the end cap for the right side. There is no end cap required on the left side. The PLC has some built-in I/O and comes with 2 Ethernet ports. Let's power up the PLC. Then we need to use this cable USB Type B to USB Type A to connect the PLC to the computer. This end is plugged into the PLC and this end will be plugged into the computer. On the computer, first let's open Arch-Link Classic to configure the PLC Ethernet ports. Expand the USB. Select the PLC. Right-click. Select Module Configuration. Then select Port Configuration. Then select Manually Configure IP Settings. For IP address, it will be 192.168.0.90. For network mask, it will be 255.255.255.0. Apply. Yes. Okay. Now let's disconnect the USB cable from the PLC. Then reconnect it to the computer with an Ethernet Cat5 cable. Now let's change the computer network adapter to make it on the same network with the PLC. The computer IP address will be 192.168.0. anything but 15, for example. The subnet mask will be 255.255.255.0. OK. Close. The computer now is on the same network with the PLC. To get the firmware for the PLC, let's go to rockwellautomation.com. Support. Downloads. Find drivers and firmware. Let's type in the PLC catalog number. Select the PLC. Series B. The green ones are prefer. The red ones are retire. The blue ones are manage. And the gray ones are limited. Let's select 30.016. Downloads. Select firmware only. Downloads. Download now. Accept and download. Open it. This is the firmware for the PLC that we just downloaded. Now let's open a PLC program for the PLC. To upgrade the firmware on the PLC, please make sure the switch on the PLC is set to program. Communications. Who active. Select the PLC. Update firmware. Browse it to the location of the firmware that we just downloaded. OK. This is the firmware that we need to install on the PLC. Update. Yes. OK. The PLC firmware now is updated to version 30.16. Now let's set the switch on the PLC to remote. And download the program to the PLC. Download. Remote program. Let's change it to run mode. Yes. Now let's test it. That will be it for this video. Thank you for watching. If this video is helpful and you like the content of my channel, please like, share and subscribe. A separate thanks at the lower right corner is also a great way to show your support to my channel. Thank you.